Let's look at the next topic, problem management. Now, basically, problem management is an extension of incident management. When I say extension, what exactly do we mean? See, we have already discussed in case of incident management is that your business operations was going, normally, and all of a sudden there was an incident. Now, your main this thing, main purpose over here at this point is what? Recovery from this incident. At this point, see, at this point our main priority would be to have a what? A recovery, so that your business operation will start running again smoothly, to return back to the normal business operations, all right. So at this stage it is called as what? Incident management. That's why I have told you incident management is similar to what? Disaster recovery. Incident management is similar to what? Disaster recovery. Right? Now, once you reach over here, all right, once the organization return back to the normal business operations, afterwards we'll do what? Afterwards we'll analyze what went wrong. We'll do root cause analysis, in depth analysis, investigations. We'll do all such things so that this kind of incident should not reoccur, should not occur in the future. Right? And this will come under this problem management. I hope you have got this point. So, incident management is what? It's like disaster recovery. And problem management is like business continuity. I hope you are getting the point. So, in case of problem management, you will do what? You will identify the root cause. Plus, your main priority would be to what? Resolve the issues permanently. So basically, in problem management, you will do what? Investigation plus in-depth analysis. Investigation plus in-depth analysis. Root cause analysis. All right. So now everything was normal here. All of a sudden, there was an incident. Now you are at this point, you are focusing on the recovery. All right. Now at this point, there is what? Unknown error. You don't know the exact root cause why it happened. And your priority is also not in knowing the root cause. The priority at this point is what? To have what? Recovery from the incident. At this point, you want to what? You want to recover from the incident. We'll do the root cause analysis, we'll do the in-depth analysis, we'll do all kinds of investigation. But at this point, your main priority is not that. All right. So at this stage, we say it is what? There is unknown error. We don't know what exactly was the error, why it has happened, why the incident occurred in the first place. We don't know about that. So at this place, there is what? Unknown error. All right. Now, once it reaches over here, problem management comes into picture, where we will do what? In-depth analysis, root cause analysis. We'll do all such things. Now this unknown error will become what? Known error. This unknown error will become what? Known error. And this known error will go to KEDB, known error database. Now this incident has been solved permanently. Now such kind of incident will never occur in the future. At this stage, it was what? Unknown error. Now we have converted this unknown error to what? Known error. And we will update what? Known error database. Alright. So in case of incident management, your main priority is what? Return back to normal state. Return back to what? Normal operations. But in case of problem management, your main intention would be to reduce or mitigate what? Such kinds of incident in the future. we are doing what? Root cause analysis. Why? Because we don't want such kind of incidents to reoccur in our organization. All right? Or in other words, you can also say that incident is what? Incident could be what? One time incident. I told you it's a negative event. Incident is what? It's a negative event. It could be what? One time incident. Now if this one time incident gets repeated, repetitive incidents, the same kind of incidents, repetitive incidents, it becomes what? It has to become what? A problem. And we are supposed to do what? Root cause, in-depth investigation, so that such kind of incident should not reoccur. See, what we are saying is that, we have discussed about incident. There I have told you that, it could be what? Incident with respect to IT components, or what? Incident with respect to security incidents. Now let's say, for example, let's take an example of a simple IT equipment, printer. All right, now it is not working. All right, now it is not working. Now it is what? It is an incident. All right, something has happened. Now incident could be what? It could be it could have a less impact, moderate impact, severe impact. We have discussed about that. All right, incident could be what? One time incident. But if such kind of incidents is reoccurring, it automatically becomes what? A problem. It automatically becomes a problem. Now you cannot ignore this incident. The organization can have lots of negative events. The organization can have a lot of negative events known as incidents. But every incident, will you do the root cause analysis? No. Why? Because incident could be what? Incident could have a less impact, moderate impact. We have discussed about it. It's not that all incident will have a severe impact. It's not that all incident will have what? A severe impact. Only if it has a severe impact, there only we will do what? Root cause analysis, in-depth analysis, investigations. All right. So the thing is that incident could be what? One time incident. Now let's say, for example, for time being, you are saying that incident has less impact. Now for time being, you are saying that, any kind of incident, it is having less impact, so we are ignoring this incident. But if same kind of incident gets repeated, it automatically, even after it is having a less impact, even after having a less impact, it automatically becomes what? A problem. Now you have to go for what? Root cause analysis. Right? So we can also say, in other words, that incident is what? Incident could be a one time incident, but if there is what? Repetitive incident, it automatically becomes what? A problem.